The Modify Trade block, located in the Trading Action section of our Builder's left-hand menu, allows for adjustments to an ongoing trade, such as modifying stop-loss and take-profit levels. This block is crucial for managing and optimizing trades based on market conditions. To begin, open the block and select Stop Loss. This block offers 3 options for adjusting the stop loss. In the first option, we can choose to modify the stop loss based on fixed pips, percentage of current TP, percent of current stop loss, or custom condition. Then we have the Calculate form, which determines the reference point for calculating the new stop loss. Here, we can choose between entry price and current price. Finally, we need to input our quantity, either in fixed pip numbers or percentage. Let's take a closer look at each. Fixed pips allows for moving the stop loss by a fixed amount of pips. For example, if we input the number 10 and leave this configuration, our stop loss will be moved by 10 pips from the entry price. Another option is percentage of current take profit. Here, we input the percentage we want to take from the current take profit to create our new stop loss. For example, if our take profit is 100 pips, and we input 20%, our new stop loss will be 20 pips. Finally, the custom option allows for dynamic modification of the stop loss based on conditions. For example, we can use the low of a candle. If we input candle, candle low, and candle ID as 1, we are modifying our stop loss to the low of the candle preceding the current one. Other examples include using indicators like Bollinger Bands. We can input bottom as the result, and our stop loss will follow the bottom of the Bollinger Band, changing dynamically over time. Within the same block, we can also modify the take profit of a position by clicking on Add Modified Take Profit, which opens the same screen as for stop loss modification, but with the option to modify take profit. Clicking on the orange arrow returns us to modifying the stop loss. As we've seen with other blocks, there's always the option to add additional filters by clicking on Additional Filters. In this case, we can filter the block based on the trade type, buy or sell, and the symbol we want. Practical examples of what we can do with the Modify Trade block include dynamically moving the stop loss over time to the bottom of the Bollinger Bands indicator. Therefore, suppose we have our check trade count set to No Trade, a condition determining market entry, and our Execute Trade by Action block. Now it's important to note that some might think that instead of using the Modify Trade block, just using the custom stop loss setting within the By Action block would suffice. This isn't entirely true because, yes, we can also insert a custom stop loss within our By Action block using the Bollinger Bands indicator. But if we only do this, over time, the stop loss won't move because the Buy block was only activated once. To achieve this and make the stop loss dynamic, we connect the Modify Trade block to the blue output of the check trade count. Because every time we have an active trade, the stop loss will automatically be modified to the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. In summary, the Modify Trade block proves useful, allowing for quick adaptation of strategies. By precisely adjusting stop loss and take profit, it provides effective risk management and flexible trading operation control.